will see a smiling Barnowl after this. Are you going to swallow it? I don't know. There you go, good girl. Checking to make sure it's all clear. You're not going to swallow it? I don't think you have to worry about it. Here we go.
Oh my god. That whole thing?
Yeah, it's just swallow it whole.
Inhaled down.
Yeah.
Ooh.
They're mainly designed to just swallow mice whole, voles or shrews. Her tongue is also sticking out at the bottom, so her tongue, it's forked both ways. So it's got a tube that goes through it so that they can breathe. And the fork at the back will push the food down as well. But now you can give her a nice stroke down the back and you can feel, once again, she's incredibly soft.